Okay, we can start our class. So good morning, everybody. And I believe my name should still circulate somewhere, so please sign in your name if you have English, Chinese, any both. Your phone number, your email address, and also birthdays, YouTube account. This class is taxation, as I said a while ago. Hopefully, okay, this class may help you to learn, number one, probably how to file your own tax return. Even though some of you hire, you retain a professional, either CPA or EA, to help you prepare tax return. Even that's the case, but hopefully after this class, you know whether or not your professional has done a good job for you. And of course, if you can learn something from this class, then you can save, legally save, okay, your tax. That will be another benefit from this class. Before we go into the detail, okay, how many of you already bought a book? This is not the current one, okay? I have to admit it, the current one is too expensive, okay? If you want to use the current one, you're pretty much welcome. Otherwise, I'm using 2007. I believe the publisher, they update it. That's the reason why they charge so high, okay? If you bought any out-of-date copy, should be fine, but not older than 2007. Okay? For next year, I may update my edition. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, yesterday we got a list from Catherine. Is this the same book?
Yes, I think so. You've used this one, Taxation for Decision Makers.
Oh yeah, it's the 10th edition.
That is 2010 edition. 2010 edition.
Yeah, 2007 will be fine. Okay. If the example in the book change, we're gonna use the new one whatsoever. Tax law change every year. Hopefully it's not that much, so we can follow our traditional copy. So I may need to ask one more time. How many of you file tax return by yourself? Probably 1/3, almost half, 1/3. How many of you file your tax return through CPA or EA? Professional? Probably not half. So how many of you never file? You are international. You are international student. You don't need to. Okay. Wow. Yeah, that's good. So in this classroom, we make sure at least probably 99% of you do file tax return. So this is almost about the season. Okay. So hopefully this erases it. When we talk about taxation, today we're gonna cover chapter 1 and 2, and as Dr. Tao just mentioned to you, so no exception for this class. Okay? Usually we try to treat our students very fair. Okay, so I don't mind all of you get an A from my class. Okay, and as long as you come here, okay, making sure you are still in the class, okay, no anyone will get something below than B. Okay, so hopefully all of you get A. However, let me just set a rule. Okay, in order to get A, hopefully you attend all of this live class. We only meet 6 to 7 times every semester, so hopefully we can commit to each other. Okay, if you gonna be absent from this classroom, give me a note, say, Professor Tong, I'm gonna miss this class, that class, and then I have a video, so hopefully you can make out by yourself. Right? So that's number one. Number two, I want to make sure all of you turn in your homework. I care about more homework than your attendance. Okay? So you miss one time, miss two, it's okay, but I don't want you to miss any single homework. Usually I only give you one question from each chapter. And there are only 14 chapters in this book. That really means throughout the whole semester, you only need to complete 14 questions. However, for those of you coming late, I almost like require, okay, you do your homework on YouTube. Don't give me the written one because I don't know who's the one wrote the answer for you. So you post your presentation. If you are kind of very shy people, say I'm not feel comfortable in front of the camera, at least let me hear your voice. Making sure you are the one who complete the answer. I don't mind, and also I recommend 2 of you, 3 of you, 4 of you to form as a group for discussion. However, I want to make sure you are the one who finalize your answer. So you post your homework on YouTube, and then you discuss your answer or you give your input to somebody else through Facebook. Okay? So I expect for each questions, your final answer shouldn't be more than 2 minutes. 10 minutes is okay. 20 minutes is probably too much. Okay? So each answer for each questions I expect 2 minutes, not more than 2 minutes video. But I know the 2 minutes answer probably is a product from your half-hour discussion. That is true. Okay? So this is number 2. You want to get A? Don't miss any single homework because the homework should be very, very, very simple. Number 3, we're gonna have one, not really the midterm. It's in class quiz. In class means probably that is in the middle of this semester, and then I will have 30 minutes in class quiz, and that quiz probably more like your midterm. So it's not really the true midterm, it's more like in-class quiz. Then we have a final. Final is not exam. Final is another presentation. It's probably, I would say probably is about between 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Also, again, video presentation we posted on the YouTube. So everybody in this classroom has opportunity to give you input. Alright, so is that clear? So in order to get your A, okay, number 1, try your best to attend class. Of course, in class. I'm not just talking. Okay, sure. So in the class, I will ask you questions, you answer my questions.